Hello viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is another session on ACB. This would be a short session. I would like to explain on how to update your ACB version. So basically when you open Microsoft Visual Studio, there will be an option for extensions on the left side here. So whenever you click on here, you can see some of the modules or extensions are auto updated and some of them are not. So if you want to auto update even without clicking on this, so you can always click on this down arrow button and choose the option like auto update. This will help you to auto update your extensions whenever there is an update. And before that, so I always suggest you guys to go through the documentation thing. So you can also see like how to like what are the new features for ACB in the latest June release and how to update them. So currently, like to update your extensions, you should make sure that you are clicking on this Anypoint extension pack. So within this extension pack, you can view all your extensions like Anypoint Code Builder, Platform Extension, API Extension, API Kit Extension, Data View Extension, everything over here in this package. So Anypoint Extension Pack is really important, and what you can do is like you can just click on update wherever is required. You can see here automatically it is getting updated. I think most of them are already updated. All that we need is a reload is required. So whenever you update something, please click on reload required here. So that will help you to reload. Now you can see that everything is updated. Next thing what I would like to tell you is like please make sure that you are logged into this Anypoint platform account. If you're not logged in, on the left side there is this accounts tab. Okay, make sure that you're logging into it, or like you can click on set versions as well and close it, or there is another option here like you can click on this to login. All right, so this is how you can do. And because of this latest update, now you can choose your Mule runtime. Like you can see like 3 different runtimes over here: 4.4.0, 4.6.3. so you can always search here. There is no 4.5, but so once you click on 4.4, it will download upon clicking on apply. Also now it is going to support Java 11 version as well. So what is new here, like you can see like there is data view expression builder and support for the existing MUnit case test cases. So most of you might be bit confused here. So whatever we are saying like support for existing MUnit test cases, those are the test cases that are built using Anypoint Studio and not in ACB. I think the full version will cover that MUnit part, but if you have some MUnit test cases that have been written or you are writing on Anypoint Studio, not ACB, on Anypoint Studio, you can always run them on ACB. So that's the new feature here, but you cannot create MUnit tests yet in June release version on ACB, but you can run the existing MUnit cases that are built in Anypoint Code Builder. That is one more important thing that you need to understand. Then there are some rule sets for API design that you can write, and data view expression builder, it is very important for us. And like you can also write like custom Java code. So please go through this documentation and see what has been included. So once you click on like, and if you click on this connectors here, like there are no, because like this will connect to Exchange. Right now there are nothing to update, but Mule runtime and all, if you click on apply, it will start fetching this. So runtime, it will start downloading the runtime. So you can see here like downloading Mule runtime 4.4.0 version. All right, so coming back to our Mule project, let us like implement a new API. For example, let me give like my test project. Please choose the selection, choose the location. This is your workspace basically. So imagine like in Anypoint Studio, we always like choose the workspace first and then we will click on launch, but here it's like very easy for you to choose whichever location you want. All right, so and choose the runtime that you want. Right now I wanted to go ahead with the latest version, and the Java version, if you want Java 17, you can go with Java 17, or there is also like Java 11 version. All right, so I will click on create project. It is asking for an asset name. um, okay, my ACB. Okay, ACB demo. I will add an asset, create the project. It will start creating the project. You can see like I have chosen Java 17 version, which is not installed yet. So now it is trying to install Java 17 version, and it is downloading the Mule 4.7.0 version. So this can be done during the creation of projects. So structure has been created. You can start by clicking on build a flow. As this is the first time, it will allow you to ask like whether you want to create a flow or a subflow. So you can click on always this connectors and all. So HTTP, I'll say like I wanted to have a listener, so you can double click on this and you can mention the path, like for example like test, and choose the connector configuration. So you have to create a configuration. As I said before, like the connector configurations are done manually here. So where you have to do that, it should be like above flows. So if you open and type HTTP colon like listener, or you can just, when you mention this, you can go for HTTP listener config. Okay, and you can say like port and all those stuff you can mention over here. So host equal to local host, and port equal to 8081. Okay, try to get familiar with this and choose the name. So here the name is like HTTP listener, so I wanted to use the same name here. All right, so once this is done, see what error you are getting. You can always click here, choose the configuration HTTP listener over here. Now the error is gone. So this is how you can reference. So just save it wherever you want, and then click on plus symbol over here and type like variable, set variable. So it will create a variable over here, and try to, so you can give a variable name over here, like for example like fruit name. Okay, so when I click on value, like just try to click on fx, like clicking on fx, this will try to generate your value over here. This is the new feature that came as a part of June release. So like this is just like data with expression evaluator. So whatever you write here, it will try to evaluate that. So if you click on preview, you can see this is apple. Now it will result into that result. So if I try to use like upper of, like upper is a function, so you can see like it says like it will try to now convert that into your a result. Okay, so whatever syntax you are writing here, this will help you to, like, you don't have to do anything, like just click on this, it will try to pop up a box over here, like and you can always, it will also show you the different kind of functions that we have. For example, like if you want to search for now, that is your time. So if you want to remove this, and if you want to try to evaluate that, like click on preview. So this is your current timestamp. Okay, so this is how, this is one of your, like suppose another one, if you want like anything that you want to 450 by 5, and if you want to like preview, just try to, you know, click on something else and come back here and click on preview. It will give your result. So this is one of the new features that we got as a part of June release. So that is one thing. And as I said, like there are many other features that you can explore. We have already seen like how to install our Mule runtime and Java versions here. Also, like this is the data view expression builder that I was talking about, and I have already explained about the immunity test cases. You cannot write immunity test cases yet on ACB, but you can always run the existing immunity test cases that you have built using Anypoint Studio. Okay, so we will be coming up with more content as I keep learning, like just like you. So whatever findings that I have, I'll try to explain it to you on our channel. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. See you.